Prepare to elevate your space with Cozyology. Before watching this video, please make sure your track has been adjusted to the correct length and can be controlled with the remote. If it's not ready, please refer to the other two videos for adjustment. For ceiling mount, place the track where you plan to install it and mark the points with the pen to ensure it's level. Use a power drill to make holes. Install expansion screws as needed. Secure the brackets in place. For wall mount, after assembling the ceiling and side mount brackets, mark the points on the wall where the brackets will be installed. Use a power drill to fix the brackets and screws, ensuring everything is level. Next, hang your curtains. The track accessories come with 2 hooks to ensure the curtains fully cover the motor, hiding it from view. And that's it! Your Tate motorized track is now installed.